Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we will study about chapter 16, pattern. So first of all, we will come to know what is pattern. So look at the board. A pattern is a regularity in the world, in human-made design or in abstract ideas. As such, the elements of pattern repeat in a particular manner. A geometric pattern is a kind of pattern formed of geometric shapes and typical repeated design. Types of pattern here we study are geometrical patterns or number patterns. So, from definition, it is clear that any pattern we have may be geometrical or number. The certain things are repeated there, and there is a relationship between these patterns, and anyone can observe and recognize the pattern. In case of geometrical patterns, as you are going to hold a piece of paper which is rectangular in shape, you will find the two halves will be equal. So the pattern formed on this and this side will be the same. Okay? As you have seen many designs on the floors, when tiles are laid down, that time we see the patterns of the different shapes. This is called the pattern. Here sometimes we get that how to come to know the next shape will be from the given pattern. So we observe generally the given pattern and then we try to make the next pattern. As for example, here I am giving you, suppose in the first case we have given example I am taking, and this example is of geometric pattern. Suppose the first one is given like this, and second is given like this. Again, in third is given, and asking what will be here, the next. So as you are observing this pattern, in the first case, we are seeing observing. Here is only one line segment. In this case, we are having two line segments and they are making an angle. In third case, we are having three line segments joined together. Now, so what will be the fourth one? From here to here, we will draw this one, this one, this one, and then this one. Okay. Means each a step, one line segment is increasing and we are forming a pattern. Okay. You can take another example. Suppose we have this one in this case. Now in this case, this one. In this case, this one. Again in this case, this one. So what will be the next step? So we can easily draw this. This will be in the next step. This in each case, one line segment is going to be added to repeat this type of pattern. So one line segment is going to be added to make the pattern. So this kind of pattern you have to study here. The next we will study about number pattern. Number pattern. As you know, the counting numbers are in series written like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are also forming a pattern, and you can say that the next number is one more than the previous one. Here, the next number is one more than the previous one. The next number is one more than the previous one. And like this, pattern will be made. You have studied in your previous classes how to increase and decrease a number. For example, if it is written here 2, here it is 6, here it is 10, then what will be the next numbers? So it is quite easy to tell that from these given numbers that the next number is coming when we are adding 4 to the previous number, means 2 plus 4, it is giving 6. 6 plus 4, it is giving us 10. So next number we will get when we add 4 to 10, means here plus 2, which will become 14, and next 14 plus 4, we will get 18. So you are seeing this pattern. 6 is 4 more than 2, 10 is 4 more than 6, 14 is 4 more than 10, and 18 is 4 more than 14. So this is the pattern of numbers. You have also read, if in a bigger number, from a bigger number, we are going to subtract. Look at here. You have read, like suppose it is 20 here is given 15, here is given 10. What will be the next number? You are observing 15 we are getting when we are subtracting 5 from 20. 10 we are getting when we are subtracting 5 from 15. So next number we will get when we subtract 5 from 10. Then it will be 5. And the next number we get when we subtract 5 from 5, so it will be 0. So this will be the pattern of the numbers that we will get. And you are also observing there is relation between them. This is 5 less than this is 5 less than this is 5 less than this, and so on. It is repeated. Means subtraction of 5 is repeated in this case. Okay. This type of pattern you have already studied in your previous classes. Here some more pattern on numbers you will study, that is how to write multiples of a number, as you have already studied in chapter 8 how to write multiples. Here in case of pattern given, suppose we have given 6, 12, 18, 24 and asking what will be the next 3 numbers. So as you are observing, these numbers are multiples of 24. So quite easy to write the next 3 numbers. 6 2 ja, 6 3 ja, 6 4 ja, so 6 5 ja, 6 6 ja, and 6 7 ja. Means these are forming a series, a pattern of the multiple of 6. Similarly, you can write the multiples of other numbers to form the pattern. Now, you have also studied about even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. So, as you know, odd numbers are the numbers which cannot be divided by 2 exactly, or even numbers are numbers which can be divided by 2 exactly. Okay, so odd numbers are here 1, 3, 5, 7. You are also observing these numbers are related to each other. 3 is 2 more than 1, 5 is 2 more than 3, 7 is 2 more than 5, and so on. The odd numbers will come. Similarly, even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. You are observing 4 is 2 more than 2, 6 is 2 more than 4, 8 is 2 more than 6, and so on, and it will be repeated. So like this you can write the even and odd numbers also. So I hope you understood about the pattern. You are having some questions given from exercise 16.1 to 16.4. You will do these questions in your homework. So your homework will be exercise 16.1, 16.2, 16.3 and 16.4. So thank you.